At GSK, our aim is to use genetics, genomics, and artificial intelligence and machine learning to transform drug discovery, and in doing so, to positively impact the lives of 2.5 billion people. And the Alliance for Genomic Discovery is an absolutely core part of our genomics strategy. So we've been talking with partners at Illumina and at Nash Bio for a long time as they conceived their idea and then developed the study. Throughout, they've been fantastic. They've been committed, responsive, ambitious. And as an example, literally the day after we signed the agreement, they were on site working with me and the team to try and get us access to the data and use the resource. It's fantastic. In the Alliance for Genomic Discovery, we're combining scale of whole genome sequencing data with an incredibly deep and rich electronic medical record with a huge diversity of participants. We don't only rely on self-report data of asking, does one have a disease, yes, no, but we can look in very great detail at the electronic medical record. Individuals that progress quickly through disease, that have different laboratory values, have different therapies and different responses to those therapies. The great richness in the data allows us to identify great genetic signals that link to diversity of disease. So one of the things that gets us most excited about studying these diverse populations is that it gives us insight into genetic variation that we have never seen before in these large-scale studies. We realise that some projects are maybe just too big, too ambitious for any one organisation to deliver alone. And at the end of the day, we're all scientists on a mission to help patients, and this is the right thing to do for those patients. So as we move into the future, I really hope that there's opportunities to grow this resource further, to link to additional data sets, and we really hope to enrich the resource by adding other biological measurements like, for example, proteomics. When I first started working in genetics 2 decades ago, it was utterly inconceivable to me that we'd be working with 250,000 individuals with whole genome sequencing data linked to such deep electronic medical records. I know there's so much to be learned from this amazing resource.